Did you know about the facts of drinking water? Here are some amazing facts about drinking water. Water is the essence of life. Every single living thing on this planet depends on water to survive. And for us humans, drinking water is not just about quenching thirst, it's about keeping our entire body healthy and balanced. Fact 1. Your body is mostly water. Here is something mind-blowing. About 60% of your body is made up of water. Yes, more than half of you is basically water. Your blood, your brain, your heart, even your lungs, all of them depends on water to function. For example, your brain is about 75% water and your muscles are around 80% water. That's why when you are dehydrated, you might feel weak and dizzy or have trouble thinking clearly. Imagine a plant without enough water, it starts to droop. The same thing happens inside us. Without proper hydration, our cells can't carry nutrients, our joints lose lubricants, and even our body temperature becomes unstable. So drinking water is literally fueling your body at the cellular level. Fact 2. Water boosts brain function. Have you ever felt tired, cranky, or unable to focus only to realize you haven't had water all day? That's not a coincidence. Even mild dehydration, just 1 to 2% of your body water, can affect memory, attention span, and mood. Studies have shown that when people drink enough water, they perform better on memory and problem-solving tasks. That's why students are often encouraged to carry a water bottle during exams. Think of your brain as a sponge. If it's dry, it shrinks slightly and struggles to send signals effectively. But when it's hydrated, it expands and works at full capacity. So next time you're working, studying, or even just scrolling on your phone, sip some water. You might be surprised how much sharper and calmer you feel. Fact 3. Water powers exercise and energy. Now let's talk about fitness and movement. When you exercise, your body temperature rises and your sweat to cool down. But here is the catch. If you don't replace the water you lose, your performance drops. Dehydration during exercise can cause fatigue, muscle cramps, and even dizziness. On the other hand, staying hydrated helps deliver oxygen to muscles, prevents overheating, and allows you to exercise longer with more energy. That's why athletes always sip water before, during, and after workouts. But it's not just for athletes. Even in daily life, staying hydrated keeps you energized. If you are feeling sluggish in the afternoon, it might not be caffeine you need, it could just be water. Fact 4. Water cleanses and beautifies. One of the most popular reasons people increase their water intake is for skin health, and it's true. Water is nature's best detoxifier. When you drink enough, it helps your kidneys flush out toxins from your body. It reduces the workload on your liver and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. On the outside, drinking water doesn't magically erase wrinkles, but it does help your skin look fresher, plumper, and more radiant by maintaining elasticity. Think of it this way: when you water a plant, its leaves look greener and healthier. Your skin works in a similar way. Water also helps prevent constipation, reduces the risk of kidney stones, and keeps your mouth fresh while producing enough saliva. So yes, drinking water is like hitting multiple health and beauty goals with one habit. Fact 5. Timing matters. The best time to drink water. Now, there is something most important people don't know. When you drink water is just as important as how much you drink. The best time to drink water is right after you wake up in the morning. Why? Because after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. A glass of water first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, helps flush out waste, and gives you an energy boost before breakfast. Drinking water before meals can also help with digestion and even weight control because it makes you feel full, prevents and overeating. Sipping water before exercise prepares your body for sweating loss, and drinking afterwards helps with recovery. And here is a tip: avoid drinking too much water right before bed. It may interrupt your sleep with bathroom trips. Instead, keep a small glass by your bedside if you get thirsty at night. So it's not just about drinking 8 glasses a day, but drinking them at the night times to maximize benefits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.